Hello, you guys. It's Joshua Ewing again. I'm going to be trying to do a bigger burp than last time. Okay? So, yeah, I'm going to try to do a bigger burp. Hopefully, I can. Okay? So, just wait a sec, please. Dang it. Sorry. Let me do this again. Sorry about that, you guys. Let me do this again. Okay, I'm back. I'm hoping I could actually get to burp again. So just wait a sec. Sorry, it wasn't that long, but it was a big one. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment below to see if you actually like those burps, because I'm gonna try to do a lot bigger ones, like huge. Okay, so see you guys next time. Bye.